having a COVID safety plan. And this is really important, and a lot of people have forgotten to do it or have only done it if they wanted to, put the blue tick on their website or on their front door, or part of when people are coming into their businesses or into open homes. It's actually essential that you need your COVID safety plan. So since early July, there's been an obligation for real estate businesses that actually do conduct open homes or auctions to have in place a COVID-19 safety plan. So the purpose of it, obviously, to work towards creating and maintaining the safest possible environment for your employees and for your customers. So really important there. Obviously, we can never, in this environment say that everything is perfectly safe, but we can certainly, minimise the risk. And that's what your safety plan is all about. So REEF, actually the Real Estate Employers Federation, sent out an email a couple of weeks ago now reminding real estate businesses that you needed your COVID-19 safety plan. Okay, so, and they also advised in that, and under the New South Wales Public Health Act, that it was required by the New South Wales government that that's there. Obviously, as a result of that, Fair Trading have now been provided with the powers to commence conducting inspections at open homes and auctions and impose fines if it's, not the right, if agencies don't have a plan or if they're actually flouting the safety measures. So it's all about, obviously, hygiene protocols. It's all about, having the right social distancing. So if you haven't got a safety plan, for goodness sake, get onto the New South Wales government site and get one. So which is basically nsw.gov.au, and then search on that for COVID-19 safety plan for auctions and open homes. Really easy. So I'll probably just Google that and you'd get it, but it's definitely on the newsouthwales.gov.au site. So guys, make sure you've got your COVID-19 safety plan right. You can then lodge that through with the government and they will approve you to have the COVID safe tick as part of your business offering, which I think is a really good idea.